Hi there traders, we decided to summarize the main secrets of scalping for you. If you adjust your strategy to these main principles, your trading will always be profitable. Subscribe for our Telegram channel where we post free signals to work out, useful articles, educational videos and more. If you want to become a professional trader, visit our website and figure out how to join our community, where our students master their trading through consistent practical lessons and trading diary check with the feedback. When you join the community, you go through the video course. This video course represents theoretical base. Then you pass a test to check your theoretical knowledge, with further limitless practical lessons in Discord server held every week. It's impossible to make your trading profitable alone. Join the team of professionals where you will level up your skills with no limits in time. As you know, the scalping is the most profitable style of trading and the most demanding as well. To succeed in scalping, you have to be systematic and skilled enough. Let's list simple principles that you should use in your trading to stay in profit. First, your strategy should have positive mathematical expectation. It means every trade you participate in should have good risk-reward ratio, when your potential loss is relatively low while potential profit exceeds it several times. The example of such trades could be breakout or pullback. As you see in breakout, for example, you have very low potential loss because you have very short stop loss and exceeding potential for profit. For this reason, let's imagine you are trading only breakouts and you have several bad days. You will have such controlled risks and the same losses. -$5, -$5, -4, -6. The loss is always almost the same. And then the next trade will give you plus $45. This is how mathematical expectation looks. And to bring this positive mathematical expectation, you should trade only those strategies with short stop loss and very good potential profit. The next point, risk management. Risk management should be the most strict element of your discipline. Unless you can force yourself to stop trading reaching daily loss, you will never become profitable. The core element in scalping is discipline. The crypto futures are the most volatile market, and if you have emotional instability, this type of trading is not for you. If you are careful enough and follow the rules strictly, you will be a good scalper. Stop trading after daily drawdown is the mastery of discipline. The third secret, simple rules. Traders are emotional human beings and it's normal. But if your strategy is very complicated and contains too many rules and factors, it will be very difficult to follow under emotional pressure. The more simple your strategy is, the more profitable it will be. And finally, always remember that if you have a bad day, tomorrow will bring you new opportunities. If you fail to stop trading, you lose your deposit and tomorrow you will think of depositing a new one. Take your time and give yourself a chance tomorrow. There are plenty of setups every day, so don't concentrate on the desire to get back all your profit one day if you wanna grow. I hope this piece of advice will help you in trading. Level up your discipline and it matters even more than your analytical skills. See you soon, stay in profit.